I know. I'm looking at his car. Yeah. Just about the problem with these VWs, they're very low.
Yeah.
So which way we're going now? Left, right, ahead.
Right.
Let people know which way you want to go. So make sure you're signalling about 10 car spaces away.
Yeah.
Launch it, go. Home run. Yeah, don't get scared. Now 2. And don't give gas until the car kind of fixes itself.